your wrist, legs nice and long, core is nice and tight. We're gonna lift the left leg, and we're gonna bring the left leg up towards your elbow as that right arm is reaching forward. Lower both together, and then we'll switch. Right leg, left arm, trying to keep the back nice and flat, nice and controlled, moving through your assigned number of repetitions.